Hey there, welcome back. If you remember, I have made a gajra previously for Eid special, so today we are going to make another one. And this artificial gajra will add a touch of elegance and charm to any traditional outfit. So let's dive right in and let's get started. I am going to use bead vines to decorate this gajra with flowers, and so I have taken a 100 centimeter long wire for making this bead vine, and I'm also using pearls, kundan flowers, and kundan to make this bead vine. In my previous videos, I have told kundan is a kind of gem, and it's called kundan in my country. Sorry, I'm late in posting this video due to cancer treatment. Radiations are giving me quite tough time, but this tough time is almost near its end. So stay with me. You are going to watch new content constantly and regularly. I hope my friends you are going to understand my problem and be with me, and thank you for your patience and cooperation. Okay, this time I'm not making small bead vines for the gajra, but I am going to make one long bead vine. That's why I have took a long wire, almost 100 centimeters long. If you have missed something or if there's anything you want to know, just ask me in the comment section and I am going to answer all your questions. I think a good piece of jewelry can add a special touch to the outfit and to the personality of the wearer. Do you feel the same way? If so, just tell me in the comment section below. And if you are new here on my channel, I'm really happy to have you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos, because I'm going to make a lot of projects like this one, and I would say stay tuned for that. Sorry, my hands are a bit out of focus. I didn't realize this was happening, so I hope you are going to ignore this. The bead wine is done, so now we are going to start making the gajra. I am going to use half-inch wide white ribbon and I'm going to cut off its edge and then I'm going to burn it to secure it. I am putting a dot of UHU glue on the edge of the ribbon and then I am going to start wrapping it around the two bangles I had chosen. I am using the word gajra here again and again, and maybe my foreigner friends are confused what gajra means. Actually, gajra is a kind of bangle that's always made with flowers. Either it's made with fresh flowers or it's made with artificial flowers. So I am using artificial flowers here. These are handmade flowers and I have made them with ribbon. So my next video is going to be a tutorial on how to make these flowers. Firstly, I have stuck the ribbon to the bangles and then I had put the bead vine we had made on the bangle and I had started wrapping the ribbon around the bangle and the bead vine at the same time. Your bead vine is completely attached to the bangle and now we are going to start using the flowers. I have just cut off the excessive wire with the nail cutter. Actually, I use nail cutter like a cutter. This is more handy, it's small and it can cut closely. I am going to use hot glue for sticking the flowers. Stick all the flowers on the bangle like I'm doing. This is the last flower we are sticking, and there you have your very own stunning and eye-catching artificial gajra. Whether you are attending a wedding, a festival, or any special occasion, this gajra will surely make you stand out with its beauty and intricate design. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY ideas. I am going to wear this gajra with bangles so that you can see what its impact is with bangles, but I am going to wear the other gajra alone without any bangles. So you'll be able to see the both kind of effects you are going to have when you are going to wear this gajra. Feel free to leave any comment or question down below. Until next time, stay creative and keep crafting.